If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Gmail account, follow these simple steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to provide the second factor, such as a code sent to your phone. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your Google account. You can find this option in the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage your security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. In the security section, look for the signing into Google area. Here, you will find the option for two-step verification. Click on this link to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. To reset your two-factor authentication, you may need to disable it first. Click on the Turn Off button for two-step verification. You may be asked to confirm your decision and enter your password again. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can set up two-factor authentication again. Click on Get Started and follow the prompts to choose your preferred method of verification, such as a text message or an authenticator app. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Gmail. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated to ensure account security.